Hi Naomi, it's Mike White with Baby Monkey Studios. Yeah, I'm just going to record this quick video to explain that it can't be done, basically what you're asking, including the text from an external source and a description of a product. It's really not possible, but I think that we can work out a way to do what you want to do. First of all, I want to tell you, you can search for products and then you can modify multiple products. So, you can select all those and modify selected and then change the text for multiple things at once that way. Of course, then all the descriptions will be the same, and that's probably not what you want to do. You want to include some kind of specific text and just on specific products, too. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is set up some kind of extra field. So, we're going to go up here, go to extra fields, okay? And, add an extra field, we'll call it text, okay? And the default value is going to be in. And its order by can be 2, because we already have one up there, all right? So we add the extra field called text. Now we go to the product page, okay? We search. And we pick on this product. We go down here to the extra field. And let's change this one to Y, okay, and apply changes. So now we're saying yes to text on this one, okay. Now we're going to go to languages, and we're going to select the English language, and I'm going to search for a filter for, my text. Okay, let's just see if there's anything that uses the words my text. No, it looks like it doesn't. Okay. So let's just make a new variable, and we'll put the topic as text, and we'll say text underscore my text. Okay, and this is some text. Got it? And let's add that. Now we're going to go into the templates. I'm going to edit the templates, okay? And in my case, I've got a custom skin, so I go to My Skin. You might be going to Common Files, or you need to create a custom skin. But we're going to go to Customer, Main, Product Details, and we're just going to look for the description. All right. Okay, and in my case, I found it down here at line 314, but this file could certainly have been edited. And, you see product, $product.full description, default, $product.description. Okay, so we just want to come in here, right here. Okay, I took a second and popped over into webmaster mode and just did a quick search for extra fields. And you can see the extra fields right here. I've got 2 defined. So here's the variable that you're going to be working with. And I'll just make a quick point that, if you're using extra fields, you got this include file equals modules extra fields product.tpl, so they show up on the product page by default. And if you don't want that to happen, you need to comment this out, which may be a problem if you're already using extra fields. This isn't an ideal solution. If you're using extra fields for other things and you want some of them to show, well, you're going to have to write some new code here. Okay. And I'm going to back those off because I do want to show extra fields just on my test store here. So let's find that description again. I have lost my place. All right. There it is, product.full description. Okay, so right here, I'm just going to come in here and just put a paragraph tag around it. Okay, and so that's the start of that. And what we're going to do is try to put in the $lang dot. I can't remember what we called it. I think we called it txt my text. Okay. Oop, typing error won't help. Let's get rid of that. Okay. So now we're going to have this paragraph print, but we only want to print if this meets the condition of the extra field having the Y, okay? Sorry, I'm rambling. I'm just figuring this out. So for each from $extra fields, item, I'm doing this wrong, from equals, extra fields, item equals field, okay? And then if $field, we just define $field. Let me look at this debugging console again real quick. I thought I had that up here somewhere. Well, let's just, I'm going to save this page, and that's going to pull open the debugging console again. I'm going to have to go back to the front. Let me go ahead and close off all these statements I'm making here so they don't cause an error. So there's the if. We'll go ahead and end that there. We'll do a slash if on the other side. Okay. Keep our spacing so we know where we are. And then we'll just end this for each. Okay, so that should prevent any smarty errors on the front at least. We'll save it again. I go back to my front side and refresh this. Okay, so everything's still working there. And here's the console. And I'm just going to show variables and look for extra. Well, I'll look for $extra. There we go. And so it's if, you can do this, if field is text, if that's the name, you can base this off of anything, okay? Let's just base it off field ID, okay? So it's field ID 2. So we'll come back here and find our spot again. For each from $extra fields, item equals field. If $field dot field ID equals 2, and $field dot value, which I'll pull open this console again and take a look at that. Yeah, value. The value on this product that I'm looking at here, text should be Y. Let me just refresh this page just to make sure that my console is actually reading this page. It sure is. Okay. It's field value equals Y. There's the field value right here. Okay? So, and field dot, gosh, I'm rambling today. I'm sorry about that. Field underscore value. I don't work with these fields very often. And so $field dot field underscore value equals, and this one we have to put quotes around it because it's a regular character, not an integer. Then P laying text my text if for each. Okay, so that should do it. This little snippet right here should do it. I'll copy that and paste that in the thread. All right. Okay, let's see if it worked. So we'll refresh. And there's our sum text right there. And we shouldn't see that on any other product. Just to test it a little bit more, let's go to another product. We'll go to this clone of this product. And we'll see here, text doesn't even have a value set on this one. And so we're not getting the sum text right here. But if we were to go to that product page and a Y in that field. Y. Apply changes. And go back to the front and refresh. Then right under this, ask a question about this product, and that's just the way this has been laid out. This template's been changed. You'll see the sum text right there. Okay, well, I know it was rambling, but hopefully it got you all sorted out, and I'll post this video and post a link to it. Talk to you soon.